Welcome viewers. In this video, I will talk about the net asset method of calculation of purchase consideration. So this is a typical balance sheet of ABN Company, a partnership firm decided to sell the business to PQR Limited. The balance sheet of ABN Company was as below as on 31st December 2014. Liabilities: S capital 34,000, B's capital 17,000, creditors 21,250. Assets: land 40,000, furniture 3320, stock 15,380, debtors 8430, cash 5120. The purchase consideration was negotiated as below. Land will be taken at 60,000 rupees, that is 20,000 more than the value of 40,000 which is appearing in the balance sheet. Furniture and stock will be taken as 10% less than the book value, meaning the value which is appearing in the balance sheet, will be less when the company takes over the furniture and stock. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 7,500. Please notice the goodwill is not appearing in the balance sheet. Lot of times goodwill will not appear in the balance sheet of the partnership firm. Only when the firm is sold, the goodwill is valued. So in this case also, goodwill was valued when the partnership decided to sell to the company. Debtors will be taken at 8,000. The balance sheet value is 8430, means it will be taken at less than the balance sheet value. And always remember, cash is not taken over by the purchasing company. Creditors will be taken at balance sheet value, meaning creditors will be taken over at the value of 21,250 which is there in the balance sheet. Now this is the format of calculation of net asset method. Just you add up the total assets which are taken over, which is 60,000. Furniture 10% less than the book value, meaning 10% of 3320 which is 320 is reduced, it comes to 2988. Stock again 10% less than the book value, means 10% of 15,380 is reduced. The final value is 13,842. Debtors 8,000, goodwill 7,500. When you add up the total asset comes to 92,330. The liabilities which is taken over is 21,250. So the difference of assets and liabilities taken over will be the value of net assets taken over using the net asset methods. This is the most common form of calculation of purchase consideration. Thank you.